Well, guys, spring has finally sprung. We're out of this dreary winter and we're into a new season. So what better way to celebrate? I want to bring you guys along with me as I start a brand new landscaping job. This is what I do best. This is my happy place. I'm in the Flower District in New York City. And what am I doing? I'm shopping for plants. So this is just a little glimpse into a normal day for Eugene here at Gene Loves Plants. And what's like really extra special about being able to have a district specific for plants in a big city like this is that I get to source locally. I love getting things locally. And before we say goodbye to this little peek into Gene's life, let's make sure that we like, subscribe, and tell our friends. You guys are doing a great job. Our family is growing little by little, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with the steady growth. But let's continue that momentum and let's make this family larger. Until next time.